What's up, guys? So today we're finally gonna do some metal work, and yeah, that'll just be it. Metal work, metal work, metal work. Let's get to it. Okay, so as you just saw, I've just been grinding it off, and yeah, you can see it was pretty dirty. I've just been taking it with a wire wheel so we can get all the dirt off it, and then afterwards we can grind it down to pure, just clean metal. If we have to do that, where we have to weld and stuff, we have to do that, but we will do that afterwards. This is just so we can see what we have to deal with, and if we need to order some new metal parts or something. But yeah, I'll show you. So as you can see here, it is pretty dirty. I was laying right there, and I had my knees right here. So yeah, you can see how much shit there was on there. But now, as you can see, we have a much better, clear look at it. And you can see the corner down there. Someone have been, I don't even know what that called, but putting that shit weird in. But yeah, I think it's knitting or something. But it have been done completely wrong. So maybe we have to order a new cap corner. But that piece right there, I think we can make that again, or we can make that again. So we'll just make a piece of that and weld that in. And you can see here it has also been eating away of the mounting for the cap. I haven't been grinding up here yet, but we have to grind this down and see what we have to deal with here. I know it has some cracks. Sorry for the lighting, it's pretty bad right now, but it has some cracks down here where it's mounting, and that's just it. But yeah, I think we will need to order a new one of those two for both sides, both corners and mountings. But let's see, I will get the rest of this shit ground down, and then I will see again. Okay, so as you can see now, I have been taking this mount off so I can get up here and grind, and I have grinded all this down and under here, and so I can see all the spot welds we had to drill out, and I've grinded all this and up here, and yeah, there's a lot of work in just this little panel, but because yeah, it will be a hard time to do it, but I think we'll figure it out. But in here you can see the floors meeting a panel separately from here, and this panel meets this panel here, which also meets, I think this is also two panels right here. So we have to connect all these 4 panels with the mounting and everything. I think we have 5 panels or something we have to connect again, but we will hopefully figure it out. As you can see now, we have taken this panel off, and this panel is actually not that bad at all. It only has some small holes down here. That will be easy to fix with a little piece of metal. There will be no worries in that, and I will of course straighten this out again and weld it on. But I actually just took it off so I will have a much better look at everything up here and down here, so I can see how I can get all this stuff apart, and I also have to fix this rust we have down here, and yeah, that will actually just be it within here. So after that we will straighten it up and clean it up and everything, and then we will put it back on. But yeah, that mouth I have shown you before, it has definitely also been in here and up there, because all this stuff came out, and it's really bad. There's really much of it, but it's out now, and that was also a part of what why I took it off, because I knew how much shit there was in there. But it is out, and now we'll just clean all this up, and I think we will do the repairs on this one first, actually. Maybe on this one, I think so. And afterwards we will start seeing what it will have to take from us to take maybe this panel off, or maybe not. I will see how it goes with that, if it even needs to go off. And of course we will look at how we will do it in here. Okay, as you can see here, I have made this little box for this little nut, because it has to go in here, and it has to be able to move like this, but not turn. So I have to weld this over here on the body. As you can see here, we have one in here which also moves, and one down here which also moves. So I can adjust the height of the inner fender, which, yeah, everything depends on with gapping and stuff. But this one over here, it is so rotten, so it has been rotten out. So I just made a new one from scratch, and I will weld that in on the inside. As you can see here, I don't know how much you can see, it's really bad lighting, but up there it is completely broken. And yeah, I will see if I can get this one tacked in just a little bit, but yeah, I don't know how good that will go, but we will try it. Okay, so now first of all we're gonna give it some primer, and it is this one. It is some weld through primer. It should be pretty good. Just bought it today, and yeah, I will just hit it so it doesn't rust again. Okay, so now as you just saw, I have just been welding the part in up here, and I will show you. Yeah, I've just given some primer. It's a really big boogie weld, but I can just get my one hand up there, so I cannot see shit up there, but I got it together and it's stuck now. I can tighten it without any problems, and it looks pretty much like the other ones, not just not as tight and as pretty, because this one is spot welded and that one is not at all, but it will do. Okay, I think I'll cut the video off here, and then we can start it out again in the next one with doing the repairs and the part we have taken off and everything. So like, follow, subscribe, stay tuned, and see you next time.